Hello everyone, today I will discuss with you. How much does a virtual data room cost? What are the virtual data room pricing options? Many of traditional VDRs have an opaque pricing model that requires you to speak to a sales rep before revealing the cost. Costs can range from a few dollars to tens of thousands. Payment terms can also vary from a monthly to an annual commitment. It's important to fully understand costs before signing any contract. In fact, it's often better to first use VDRs that provide transparent pricing to evaluate if the platform fits your needs. Here are the most common pricing options. 1 per user, charge for employees only. This option is often the most cost-effective and appropriate for most. A solution like Box costs as low as $15/user/month for unlimited data rooms, unlimited storage, and unlimited guest viewers. Note that a user is an employee who manages the data rooms. So you can buy seats for only those that are involved with the data room. There is no additional charge for external viewers that you invite. For example, you could invite 50 bidders and their advisors to view your data rooms for free. There is also unlimited data rooms and storage. So there is no extra fee based on number of projects or size of files. If you need more security features or need external collaborators to work your data room files, a bundle with Box Shield is a very cost-effective option. This option has more compliance and security features, and yet is still often a cheaper solution. 2 per user, each visitor. Some traditional VDRs bill on each user that requires access to the data room. This would include charges for each invitee, including potential bidders, bankers, lawyers, auditors, vendors, and suppliers. This can become cost prohibitive if your project requires a large number of collaborators. 3 per page. Some providers charge on a per-page basis for documents uploaded to the data room. These fees can be as high as $1 per page. This works best for small projects with a defined set of documents. However, this pricing can add up rapidly if a company has a lot of documents to share. Intense employee labor is needed to optimize documents for uploads to avoid costs. There have been cases where a poorly formatted Excel file with a few tables can print into hundreds of pages. This can lead to very high surcharges in favor of the provider. Avoid this option unless the project is very small and well defined. 4 per project/data room. Some providers bill on a per data room or project basis. This option is the simplest if you have only one data room and only need to share material for one finite project. There are additional limitations for each data room, including limits on storage size or number of users. Surcharges will incur for any overages. Fees typically start in the several hundreds of dollars per project per month. So this can still be much more expensive than a per-user solution like Box. 5 storage size. Another pricing structure is to bill based on storage size. This is based on purchasing a committed amount of storage upfront, i.e. 5 GB, per data room. There are often overage fees if the storage exceeds the limit, but no refunds if there is unused storage. This option is viable if most documents are text-based, Word, PDF, Excel. If there are multimedia files, video, PowerPoint, CAD, audio, images, or databases, exome, clinical trial data, then it may be better to use an unlimited storage option. There are a lot of options available. Always consider exploring providers with transparent and cost-effective pricing first. Then you can budget costs based on the project.